Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 5th, and this is my market recap where we're going to look at the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame for a quick recap. If you haven't done so already, definitely join my 100% free Discord channel. Link is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description. If you'd like to join my membership, it is only $30 a month to get you access to all the benefits listed below and more by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the pound dollar made a pretty nice little thrust to the upside today. Like I was saying this morning, this is likely the end of a correction right here, end of a wave B or a wave two. We are either now in a wave three or a wave C. If it continues to make high low like it's been doing, then I would definitely continue to look for longs, and maybe it does turn into a big wave three. Right now, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. We are watching our Fibonacci levels very closely for three wave looking pullbacks. Impulsive engulfing moves at a Fibonacci level to go long again. If it does break structure to the downside, I still think it's going to go up eventually later on. I would throw my Fibonacci on the last series of higher highs, higher lows, and still be looking for three-way pullbacks, just potentially a bigger three-way pullback. So pay attention to your structure. No break of structure. Look for higher lows at Fibonacci levels. Break of structure. Throw your Fibonacci from the high to the low and look for bigger three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.